Hey everyone, welcome back to Hello English Podcast. I'm Helen.
And I'm John. Today, we're helping you travel the world in English with simple phrases you can use right away.
You don't need perfect grammar for travel. You need clear, friendly phrases to survive and connect.
We'll cover the airport, hotel, restaurants, directions, and meeting people, plus quick tips and motivation.
Let's start at the airport, the first stop of your adventure.
At check-in, say, "Hello, I'd like to check in, please."
If you didn't understand, use, "Could you say that again, please?" or, "Sorry, I didn't catch that."
These two are magic anywhere. They make people slow down and repeat.
Security phrases you might hear, "Take off your shoes, please." "Put your bag on the belt."
Before boarding, ask, "Is this the line for flight 302?" Or, "What time do we board?"
Quick practice. Repeat with me. "Could you say that again, please?"
And now, "What time do we board?"
You've arrived. Now you're at the hotel reception.
Say, "Hello, I have a reservation. Can I see the room, please? Is breakfast included?"
If there's a problem with the air conditioner. The Wi-Fi isn't working.
If you need something, "Could I have an extra towel, please? Can I get a late checkout?"
Keep it short and polite. Clear beats complicated.
Exactly. Real English for real travelers.
Repeat after me. "Could I have an extra towel, please?"
Nice. One more. Is breakfast included?
Allergies or preferences. "I don't eat nuts. No spicy, please. Is this vegetarian?"
Finished eating? Say, "Could we have the bill, please?" Or, "Can I pay by card?"
And always, "Thank you. Everything was delicious."
Good manners taste great in every language.
Quick repeat. "What do you recommend?"
And, "Could we have the bill, please?"
You're exploring the city, and you're a little lost. It happens.
Ask, "Excuse me, how can I get to the train station? Is it far from here? Can you show me on the map?"
If you need to check, "So I go straight, then left?"
When someone helps you, say, "Thank you so much," or "That's very kind of you."
Politeness opens doors, sometimes literally.
True.
Repeat with me. "Can you show me on the map?"
And, "Is it far from here?" Travel isn't only places, it's people. Start simple. "Hi, where are you from? Is this your first time here? Do you like it here?"
Show interest to keep the talk alive. "That's interesting." "Really? Tell me more."
If you didn't understand, "Sorry, can you say that again? Could you speak a little more slowly?"
If you want to finish politely, "It was nice talking to you. Have a great day."
Friendly, short, clear. Perfect for beginners and beyond.
Quick repeat. "Tell me more."
And, "It was nice talking to you."
And now, quick travel tips. Tip 1. Don't translate in your head. Use short phrases you already know.
Tip 2. You don't need fancy grammar to be kind and clear. Smile first, words second.
Tip 3. Forget a word? Use body language. Point, describe, or say a simple hint.
Example, "Forgot umbrella?" Say, "Something for the rain."
People will understand. Real communication is creativity, not perfection. And now, rapid practice. I say the situation, you say the phrase. Ready?
Airport, "You didn't hear the gate number."
Say, "Could you say that again, please?"
Hotel, "You need more towels."
Say, "Could I have an extra towel, please?"
Restaurant, "You want the bill."
Say, "Could we have the bill, please?"
Street, "You need directions to the museum."
Say, "Excuse me, how can I get to the museum?" Remember, travel English is about connection, not perfection.
Every hello, every thank you, every "can I have" is a small bridge between people.
Be clear, be kind, and let your smile lead your words.
You've got this. Use one phrase today. That's how confidence grows.
Thanks for listening to Hello English Podcast. If this helped you, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It really supports the show.
And get ready. Next episode is English for Emergencies While Traveling. What to say when something goes wrong.
Don't miss it. See you next time. Keep traveling, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
Bye, everyone.